So guys, if you're still not decided anong color, uh, the white appears to be the biggest because of the color. Syempre puti na nagmukhang malaki compared to black. So ito based on research lang ha. Sabi nila actually between black and white, yung black yung mas kita mo yung dumi. Ang kalaban mo lang sa white is asfalto, parang ganyan. Pero kapag dirty daw, mas halata yung black. So kung magaling ka mag-alaga or mahilig kang sobrang ingat ka, the black is actually nicer. Pero kung burara ka doon sa white, as compared to gray, unfortunately, available lang sa H7 is the matte one, stealth gray. Ito naman requires a higher level of attention speaking of maintenance. Kasi ayun nga, hindi basta-basta daw, mapapa-car wash, the way you handle dirt and removing dirt, pati pag punas. Kung halimbawa magasgasan, you can't buff it away kasi mag-iiba yung kulay. So kung ito yung pipiliin, be prepared to parang mandatory ang PPF para dito. So guys, just insight sa colors. Pero to be honesty, ito talaga yung pinaka-pogi, itong gray na to. Sana lang may yung glossy, yun ang pipiliin ko. Kasi gray daw yung actually parang pinaka low maintenance kumbaga. But since it's matte, the opposite is true. Yun lang, bye-bye.